Welcome friends, today we are going to do a pear pizza, another dessert pizza. So, we're going to start out with our dough, and I just flip it over to make sure that both sides are coated in flour. And then you've seen me do this in a pile of videos. You go around the outside with your fingers just to delineate what the edge of the crust is, and then down through the center. And you just go around the outside like this, and if you get an air bubble, just pop it out. Because those burn when they go in the oven. And then you just pick it up. Once you've got it up like this off the board, if your dough is the right temperature and was kneaded correctly and fermented correctly, if all the stars align, it will just stretch itself beautifully. And it looks like today that's the case with us. So onto the board, and I've already got some flour on there so it'll slide off really easily. Once you've got it down on the peel, just kind of try to shape it out into a circle if you can and pop any little air bubbles. Now, first on is some mascarpone, and just kind of break that up and place it around. It's not very elegant to get it on. Just kind of get it on there. It's going to be sticky. Okay, so that's the end of the mascarpone, which is sticky. Next in is some gorgonzola, which is blue cheese, and it is also sticky. You can put it in the fridge or the freezer and make sure that it gets nice and hard. It'll crumble easier. I just didn't get around to that today. So, put that on, and you know, this is to taste, of course. If you don't like blue cheese, you can leave it off. I find that blue cheese and pears go together really well. So I'm just going to arrange it around. Try not to overpower the pizza with it, but that might be almost impossible because I love it. Now, pears. I've already sliced up a pear, fairly thin, and you just arrange the slices on. Okay, last of the pear pieces. Now sprinkle on some walnuts. You could use different nuts if you wanted to. And last but not least, drizzle on some honey. Just get the honey everywhere, drizzle it all over. And again, whatever honey that you use will completely change the flavor of this dish. Okay, I think that's good. Now, out to the oven. And into the oven.
We have hit pizza day. Pizza day of the week.
So, pear, mascarpone, gorgonzola, and walnuts.
Really, gorgonzola?
Yeah, I mean, maybe I'm going overboard with the gorgonzola lately, but I really like blue.
You do like
I do
blue
like
cheeses.
blue cheese. And so I thought, you know, I like blue cheese and pears. Let's see if it goes together on a pizza. So, it's going to be hot. Careful.
Okay. Yeah, I feel. You're happy already just because there's gorgonzola on it.
I really like that. I can see why there are a lot of people that don't like the blue cheeses. I kind of like this.
It's surprisingly very mellow
Yes.
with all the other flavors on it. It's like, hey, this is a lovely little.
The honey and the mascarpone, and of course you can play with all of the various flavors here because, like I said earlier, the honey, you can change the honey, completely change the flavor. And instead of using gorgonzola, you could use like a Stilton. Stilton would be... Stilton.
Okay.
Stilton
Did you
would
pick
be great.
another type of cheese in a similar, only a third of the population likes it?
Yeah. No, sorry. If you don't like it, you can leave it off because if you left it off, you would have just a really sweet pizza. That tang of the blue sort of cuts it a little bit. but it would be great, just sweet.
It's a fine pizza.
Yeah, different pairs.
All right. Enjoy. Make it your own.
Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.